This is your video recap for our May 7th, 2019 West Coast Swing lesson at Colvin Dance Hall. We worked on, well, first of all, sorry for the quality of the sound. We're just going to speak very loudly and plainly because we're having an equipment malfunction. But we worked on just basic root movements, and then we ended with a behind the back whip variation. So we started with a right side under variation, and all we did was change hands. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You change hands 5 and 6. And we did a sugar tuck variation. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. The only variation there was that it was from handshake. And then left side pass variation. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and a basket whip variation. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then the whip variation. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Did a free spin, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I think we ended up with a sugar push.
Yep.
So now we'll just give you a couple of brief notes for those who were there as a review. So the right side under, the only thing we did different from a basic right side under was change hands. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6.
Sugar tuck.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6.
Left side pass.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Remember, for that one, you're asking for the hand, what, about 2?
Yeah, you can't ask too late. Let me do that one more time here.
And we as followers are keeping our hand out here available.
And we made a point that, we're kind of in a little foot race with our follower here, so we don't want to we want to stay with her on 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm still in it.
A little bit ahead of me.
And then I get sneaking behind on 5 and 6.
And the important thing from my perspective as the follower there is that we're here on 4. He's a little bit ahead of me. That my arm stays out in front of my face, because if you're back here or you try to turn me, too early, it's going to hurt my shoulder. So you're out here ahead of me and you're keeping my arm in front of my face. So I can easily go under your arm. Okay.
Basket whip.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So no turn there, you're just leading her straight back.
Okay. Behind the back, whip.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Left side pass with a free spin.
2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6.
Finished it with a push. 3 and 4, 5 and 6.
Okay, so you want to talk a little bit about that whip and
okay, just a little
the
bit.
count for each of the. Our footwork is a little bit different in that on 7, 8, I'm changing weight. 7, 8, and you're not.
Right, I'm staying on the same foot. So it's start up to 4. 1, change hands 2, back, across. We ask for the other hand on 4. Let go with the one on the back. 5, we go with her on 6. Now I'm going to head this way for 2 counts. I'm on my right, going to the left. 7, she goes back 1, 8. I stay here on 8. Then we anchor. 9 and 10. Puts us both on the right foot. Now we're just doing a normal left side pass with a little bit of free spin. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Okay?
Yeah, so that was it. We can't dance it to music because of our technical difficulties, which we promise we're going to fix. But we'll see you Saturday night at Colvin Run. Ray Bognosin will be our waltz instructor that night, and it'll be the second Saturday dance for everyone. So it's the same wonderful mix that you've come to appreciate that Ed plays, and we'll see you Saturday.
Yep. Look forward to it. Hope to see you guys there. Take care.